Hi, I'm Sergey Demidенko, co-founder of PartyLabz. I built this platform because event planning shouldn't mean using multiple tools like spreadsheets, group chats, and so on. PartyLabz helps you plan any event, from birthday, weddings, and reunions to fundraisers, corporate and ticketed events. It's not just about having an event website, sending invites, and counting RSVPs. It offers tools that let you add interactive pages like polls for voting, sign-ups for potluck, volunteering, activities, and more, plus tools for communicating with guests and for planning and budgeting with the people you helping that help you out. I plan to make series of videos showing everything the platform can do. Today, let's start with creating your first event. I'll use example of a multi-day family reunion with people coming from different cities. So let's start.
Alrighty, I'm on PartyLabz homepage, and to create an event, I just need to click Create Your Event Now. So, event title. It's gonna be a family reunion. Let's make it together again. Family reunion 2026. Elena and Sergey. I'll use demo partylabz.com. Okay, now event is created. Next step is go through the steps of wizard and to fine tune it. So event subtitle is something that the string that shows right under the title, and we can say 3 days of family, food, and fun in Calgary. So now event start date. When you're planning an event of this scale, like multiple, like big event and people coming from other cities, try to plan like a year or 6 months ahead so they have time to make plans and buy tickets, rent hotels and stuff. So let's make our event end of August from 21st to 23rd. It's gonna be in Sergey house, some event, some address. So you can use if your event at some venue and you want guests to have to go to this venue website and see some details, so ahead of time, so you can provide the URL of this venue's website. Our system uses Google Maps to show the location of the place. Uh, if you enable this, but if you want to show some other use another service, you can like Apple Maps. You can just provide the link here. Also, you can use virtual meeting URL. It's for services like Zoom and stuff like this. For those who want to rejoin your event remotely. So next step would be appearance is some basic settings of how your event website gonna look like. The main event image is what guests will see at the top of the event website. So let's just look for some image. Our system lets you search for images on Unsplash, on Giphy. We have some other images ourselves. Then you can use some images you uploaded earlier before. You can provide the URL of some image somewhere if you have, or upload your own image. So for now, I'm just gonna use this. You can select animation for the image, like for example, Jella. It's gonna like do like this when the event website opens. Then if you want, you can upload your own video as an introduction, like demonstration, not a demonstration, like basically greetings for your event. So video will replace the image. Though image still important because it's going to be used in all the email communications from our platform, like RCP confirmations, reminders, and stuff like this. Then you can upload your audio if you want, but you need to remember that either video or audio is going to be working. So if you upload video, no audio, and vice versa. Then you can select page effect you just want. For example, for birthdays, it's going to be like this. If some like winter event is going to be like snow animations, something like this. So in our case, we just don't do this. The next step is going to just show you preview of how it looks like. No text, just image, title, subtitle, and then location of the event. The next step is the settings. So you can specify, the system generates URL based on the event title, but you can change it to something more shorter or like more interesting for you. Event categories basically that says us what kind of events our customers create, and it helps us to build our roadmap like for features or improvements here and there based on the event category. Most used events are addressed first. The event type is basically says how the event website is gonna work. Save the date is just event website with some information for your guests. You can add people to the guest list and send them save the dates through our platform, or just copy URL of the event website and send it through the Facebook, whatever tool channel you use, so they can come and see this when the event happens, what is it all about, and that's basically it. It's save the date. Public recipe, it's about the same, but it adds this all the functionality that our platform has, like RCP functionality and posts, signups, whatever we have. We'll be working with the all other types of the events. So the next one is ticketed. Is basically if you want to sell tickets for your event, it's likely it's business type of events. It's important to know that you need to have your own Stripe account that you link to PartyLabz, and we charge guests for the tickets. The money goes to your Stripe right away, minus 2% fees from our platform. And then managed invites is when you have to add people to the event and then use PartyLabz to send invitations. In this case, the invitations will have personal links for each guest. It's a unique link. And when they follow the link, they will see their name and contact information you provided when they RSVP. So it's basically they need to tell either they be attending or not, maybe answer custom questions you provided. And you know who visited your event website, and our platform also knows this and can send reminders to RSVP or for other activities. So what else? Invitations. Invitations can be sent via email or text messages. At this moment, our platform supports only text messages to Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Australia. That's it. Okay, let's go to the next step. RCP settings. It's basically where you set up like how many people can RCP in total to your event. And if you don't want to have a limit, you just set a big enough number that's definitely larger the group of people you expect. But in some cases, you have like no more like, for example, 100 people. So like because you have limited seatings, then you can specify this number. Then RCP group size is how many people can RCP at once as one group. Like for example, 5, it means the person who RCPs plus 4 accompanying guests. You can specify the RCP options. So the basically buttons that our system shows. Do you want your guest to answer as maybe as attending or not? So I guess it depends on what kind of event you have and what the situation. Let's say in our case, yes, no. If you want to have our system to stop accepting RSVP at some date. You can enter date here. For example, I don't know, like January 31st. So the system will accept RSVPs on January 31st, but on February 1st, guests will not be able to RSVP anymore. If you want to remove it, you just go to click here and this trash icon. And the password is basically it can be useful for some public events, public RSVP events, for like open audience. And you just want to certain people to RSVP who like received like promotional materials with the password. So to limit these people, like, so custom questions is where you can ask your guests as a group or individually some questions. For example, it could be dietary restrictions. And we make this question as a required one. We want every guest to answer the question, so it's important, not as a group, right? So, for example, we can also ask, like, for example, single choice for the what is the meal selection? It's required. We need to ask everyone, and we can say, for example, chicken, beef, I don't know, fish, whatever your menu is, and our platform will let a guest to choose one of those, and we can also have a multiple choice. For example, your interest, or like what is your preferred interest, like of the activities, and you can collect information. Oh, I like hiking, I like movies, and they can specify multiple answers, and based on their answers, you can plan around these activities that most people answered during their RSVP. It's one way of doing things. Okay, let's go next. This is the event description. This is basically one guest will see under the image and event details. And we recommend here to provide some information about like what is going to happen during your event. Maybe you have some requirements in attire or like parking information, anything that you want. You can ask AI to do this, come up with a description for our family reunion. Please use, headers and emojis, plans. We plan to do skiing, movies, hiking, other activities. The website has multiple pages with information, so the guests encourage it. Oh my gosh, encourage it to go over the pages and vote and sign up and stuff like this. So basically, just if you use this Ask AI feature, just provide more information about what you're gonna do during the event, and it will create for you this nice event description. Okay. The final step, I chose managed invites for this demo event. So we will use PartyLabz to send invitations. So right now, event website already available for you to watch. It's already live, right? So now we need to add guests and then send invitations. But before you do this, actually, the recommendation is go to basically provide all the information you want about the event. Basically, you need to click edit event website to go to the event. So this is the event website, how it looks like, and this is where you can do the edit. You can edit content, add pages, and stuff like this, or edit existing description. But this is, I'm gonna tell you about all this in the next video. Today is just was event creation information. Thank you for watching. See you next time.